West Virginia now mourning the loss of a leader with decades of public service. Justice Tim Armstead has died at the age of 60.
He passed away shortly before noon at Ruby Memorial Hospital in Morgantown after a brief hospitalization.
Shelby Burrow, she joins us live at the Capitol with a reaction from fellow lawmakers to Justice Armstead's untimely passing. Shelby, just talk to us about some of that reaction that has been coming in since earlier today.
Well, lawmakers who worked alongside Armstead tell me they're lucky to have known such a hardworking and dedicated person, and they say from their time spent together in office, they made a lifelong friend.
Tim will be sorely missed but never forgotten.
Mourning the loss of a fellow lawmaker, but more importantly, a friend.
Tim Armstead, he sort of epitomizes everything that a world-class public servant should be. He is a man of integrity, moral value, principle, fairness, justice, and he's just was a dear friend.
Supreme Court Justice Tim Armstead has passed at the age of 60, leaving behind a positive impact to those around him.
I remember him very fondly and know that we couldn't have achieved the things that have occurred in this state without the service of Tim Armstead.
Armstead was appointed to the Supreme Court of Appeals in 2018, and he won election to the court twice, most recently in 2020 for a 12-year term. But before the bench, Armstead served as a Speaker of the West Virginia House of Delegates and was a member of the House since 1998, also holding the role of Minority Leader.
Tim was one of the most ethical people I've ever met in my life. He was very conscientious in all things, deeply concerned with issues of integrity, public integrity, and he lived it. That's how he operated as a justice, as a member of the legislature, as Speaker of the House.
His career began in state government, working under Governors Arch Moore and Cecil Underwood, and included roles such as a law clerk and on the governor's cabinet on children and families.
Tim was very smart, great legal knowledge and acumen, and he spent the vast majority of his adult life working for the people of West Virginia, and he lived that. And we're going to miss him terribly. This state has suffered an enormous loss today.
He is a graduate of Braxton County High School, the University of Charleston, and West Virginia University College of Law. He lived in Elkview with his wife Anna. They have one daughter and 2 grandchildren.
I love Tim Armstead and want to send all my condolences out to his family and send a message to the state of West Virginia that we've lost a great public servant. And I hope everyone will join in prayers for his family and the memory of Tim Armstead, who was such a great man.
Those who called him a friend say they will never forget the times they spent together inside the office and out.
Tim had a great sense of humor. He and I had so many laughs together and loved his family. And many people maybe didn't see this side of Tim, but he would crack up, laugh, have fun. He had a wide breadth of friends and everyone, you will not find anyone anywhere that has a bad word to say about Tim Armstead, which is a hard thing to do in this environment that we live in today.
We're working to learn what services and memorials will be planned for Justice Armstead. Reporting live here in Charleston, Shelby Burrow, Eyewitness News.